Hello guys. In this video I will show you how to set up 1inch wallet. First, let's go to oneinch.io website. Here you can download the app. Choose the option based on your device. This process is pretty much straightforward, just like with every other app. Once installed, open the app. Okay, let's create new wallet. Here customize it however you want. After that, tap on Create. Let's set up passcode to our wallet. If you want, you can enable Touch ID. Success. Now your wallet is ready to use. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.